What's the meaning of brachiopod? Brachiopod. Brachiopod.
Brachiopod. Brachiopod. A brachiopod is a type of marine invertebrate that has two shells and a fleshy stalk for attaching to surfaces. These organisms are often mistaken for clams or other bivalves, but they are actually more closely related to snails and other gastropods. Brachiopods have been around for hundreds of millions of years and were once much more diverse than they are today. Today, only about 300 living species of brachiopods remain, but the fossil record tells us that many thousands of different species have existed throughout the history of life on Earth.